Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It is a rainy one. I came out and I got a couple tickets, got a whole lot of 500s. I got the first ticket and the second, 000 and 001. So we are looking for that $500 burst, y'all. I want this ticket to redeem itself. It's supposed to be like Fabulous 500, and I've yet to see that. Fabulous 500 is just so awesome of a ticket for me. So we need to catch up with this one. Oh, that lovely 40 rearing its head. What is up with that? It's not going to mean nothing to us today, though. Oh, good, 35. At least there's a win on here, and who knows? Maybe it's 100 grand. Never know, never know. Okay, so 35 is a winner. I don't see anything else, but you know, sometimes I miss things. So let's do 001. See what we come up with. No bonus. Numbers. Let's see, 36. And we do back-to-back winners on this lovely ticket. 32, 29, 27, 40, an 8, 22, 14, 10, and 17. Okay, so not back-to-back winners, but at least there is a winner. That's good. If it's only $5, we lost 5, but at least it's a win. Oh shit! Never mind. It's better than a win. It's 40 bucks. Wonderful. $40. 35, 35. We will take that all day. Is there anything else on this ticket? 13, 23, 22, 3, 38, 14, 15, 12, 10, 10. Nope, but $40. Yay! Now that is as much as I've seen on this ticket so far for me personally. So, okay, it redeemed itself. Ticket number 000, 40 bucks. All right, take care. Divinely led. I'm probably not going to scratch a lot. Be back in my house with all this lovely rain. Take care. Good luck.